Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSE 1998. The given question is a computer has 6 tape drives with n processors competing for them. Okay, so there are 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so each processor may need 2 drives. Okay, so what is the maximum value of n for the system to be deadlock free? So we want to be, or we want to have deadlock freedom, guys. So what is the value they are asking? So if you observe here carefully, so let us do option verification first, guys. So let us assume there are only 3 processes. So if there are only 3 processes, process 1, processor 2, processor 3, so each one of them can take 2 each and they can start executing, right? Yes. So if there are 4 processes, so this guy will take 1, this guy will take 1, this guy will take 1, this guy will take 1. So these 2 are completely free. So anyone can take them, anyone can take them and they can complete their execution and they will release the rest ones, so others will use, right? Yes. So this is also correct. Similarly, when it comes to 5, P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5. So this guy will take 1, this guy will take 2, this guy will take 3, this guy will take 4, this guy will take 5. So still 6 is left out free. So any one of these guys will take and they will execute. So 5 is also deadlock free. So when it comes to 6, P5, P6. So each and every one will take one process, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all our resources are done and none of them can execute any further. So this guy cannot get the next one. In the same way, everyone cannot get. So 6 is not possible. So which is maximum here? B is maximum, which is a deadlock free, right? Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this, right? Yes. And a small trick which you can apply for these type of questions is, so how many processes they are asking, right? And they clearly told that the total number of resources are 6 and the maximum resources which you can allocate are 2. Okay. So a simple trick which I always apply is, so a maximum of, so here we are having how many resources, guys? 6 resources. Okay. And we are having a request of 2. So basically, if our requests, okay, so MR, so that is nothing but 2. So basically for each processor, I will give one unit of these things, right? Yes. So basically I can give up to 6, right? So if I give a total of 6, it is not possible because everything will be deadlock, right? Yes. So what I will do is I will give 5. So if I give 5, so each one will get 1 and one process will be left out free. So that process will start executing. So in this way also you can do, right? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.